Welcome to our bathroom. Toileting can be very, very daunting and scary to most parents, but we just make it part of our everyday routine and we stay consistent with it. Every time we remove a diaper, every time we change and transition to go outside or to a snack, we offer the toilet. Anytime they show interest in the toilet, we are in here. We spend a lot of time in here, so we enjoy our bathroom. Everything is child size in our bathroom. You can mimic it at home by using a child's toilet or a potty, or even just putting an insert ring into the toilet and giving them a stool. The stools are helpful if they're not slippery, because it's very hard for them to negotiate and navigate to turn on them. When a child is beginning to toilet and showing signs of really being interested in toileting, that's when we scale back a lot of the clothing at the bottom half of their body, so that they can have more success by not fighting with taking pants off or shorts off or pulling skirts up. They just are removed and they're not part of the process. As they gain independence and they are toilet independent, then we add them back in and we navigate by giving them more lead time to remind them, hey, don't forget, you're wearing pants today. You have to pull those down before you get to the toilet. So using direct language is very helpful in getting them to have success. It's not a, are you ready to use the toilet? Do you need to use the toilet? It's time to check in with your bladder. Let's go to the toilet, and take them by the hand. You're driving this, even though they are initiating it. It is our cosmic task to help them to learn the cues of their body and just remind them that it's an everyday thing. We have to do it. Everybody does it.